In the galaxy of Brahmana, a sinister force threatened the cosmos. Demons, led by the ruthless demon lord, Rahu, sought the pot of Amrit, a divine water granting immense power. Their quest for dominance drove them to attack planet after planet, leaving destruction in their wake. The celestial guardians, the Devas, raced against time to protect the Amrit, hiding it on the planet of Dhruva. But Rahu's relentless pursuit pushed the Devas to the brink. As the demons closed in, the fate of the galaxy hung precariously, and the Devas' defenses began to falter. The battle between Devas and demons raged on, with the fate of the galaxy hanging in the balance. Lord Vishnu, the preserver, and Lord Indra, the king of Devas, led the celestial army against the demonic forces. The war sprawled across the cosmos, with laser weapons and divine powers clashing in a spectacular display. As the demons closed in on the planet of Dhruva, Lord Vishnu unleashed his mighty disc, the Sudarshana Chakra, slicing through the demonic army. Lord Indra summoned the Vajra, his powerful lightning bolt, striking down the demon lord, Rahu. The demons, however, refused to yield. They conjured a dark energy shield, protecting their leader, the powerful demon king, Mahishasura. Lord Vishnu and Lord Indra combined their powers, creating a cosmic blast that shattered the shield and defeated Mahishasura. With their leaders fallen, the demonic army retreated, their quest for the Amrit foiled. The Devas celebrated their victory, their relief palpable. Lord Vishnu and Lord Indra stood watch, ensuring the Amrit's safety, as the galaxy breathed a collective sigh of relief. The pot of Amrit, now secure, glowed brighter, its divine energy spreading throughout the cosmos. The Devas returned to their celestial duties, ever vigilant, ready to defend the universe against any future threats. The galaxy of Brahmana was once again at peace, thanks to the bravery of the Devas and the unwavering protection of Lord Vishnu and Lord Indra. Vishnu, the celestial guardian, stood triumphant, his glory resounding across the galaxy. The Amrit's divine energy radiated from his being, a testament to his unwavering protection. Stars and planets aligned in reverence, as his legend echoed through the cosmos, etching his name in the annals of time. His name became synonymous with bravery, wisdom, and protection. The Amrit's power coursed through the universe,